Are you looking for a beautiful home for your family? Welcome to your new home at 107 Glasgow Crescent. This home has a lot to offer, so let's go have a look. Here's the top 5 reasons to come check out 107 Glasgow Crescent. Reason number 1, newly renovated. This beautiful, fully brick, 3 large bedroom and 3 bathroom home has been newly renovated and updated for you to enjoy. New flooring on both levels, new paint throughout, new backsplash, new stainless steel range hood, new kitchen cabinet handles, new lighting fixtures, and more. Reason number 2, the layout. The layout of this home is very functional. Walk into this lovely home with 9-foot ceilings and entertain or watch a movie with your family in the living room. Have dinner in the dining room. Walk into the kitchen with gas range and kitchen island to cook up a meal and feed the kids breakfast in the eat-in kitchen. Stairs going up, located on the side, opens up to 3 good-sized bedrooms for your family to rest and rejuvenate, with primary bedroom ensuite, walk-in closet, and new flooring throughout. An unfinished full-height basement for you to customize your way. Veranda porch and a built-in 1-car garage. Reason number 3, well cared for. The sellers of this home have put love, care, and attention into this home. They are very handy and detail-oriented and have loved and cared for this home, so you can rest assured that this home is move-in ready for you to enjoy headache-free. Reason number 4, location, location, location. This home is well located on one of the most desired streets in a family-friendly neighborhood with good schools, parks, grocery stores, shops, and Cook's Bay all nearby. Enjoy time at Cook's Bay, enjoy time with your nice neighbors, or enjoy quiet downtime by walking out to a great deck in your own private oasis backyard. And reason number 5, affordability. With interest rates continuing to rise, decreasing buyers' purchasing power, this beautiful home, just a short drive up Highway 404, is highly affordable for you and your family. Newly renovated and very well priced, so it won't last on the market for long. Those are the top 5 reasons to book a showing for this beautiful home at 107 Glasgow Crescent in the Keswick, Georgina area. For more gorgeous photos of this lovely home, please visit 107glasgow.com. Please call me or text me at 647-691-5002, and I'd be happy to book your own private showing. Thanks very much for watching, and make it a great day.